Paws, a Telegram mining app that you should not ignore. Do you want to know why? Let's get right into the video, guys. Now, when this app came on board, in less than 72 hours, they gathered as much as 10 million users. That's pretty impressive, if you ask me. Just as how easy Dogs Airdrop was, is exactly how easy Paws Airdrop is. And I'm going to show you how. As long as you took part in Notcoin, Dogs, and Hamster Combat, you are fit for this airdrop. So as long as you took part in those 3 airdrops, you're actually very fit for this airdrop, because that's like one way they will reward you if you participated in those 3, which is Dogs, Notcoin, and Hamster Combat. They're going to reward you according to how much you participated in those airdrops, and also how old your Telegram account is. The same idea behind Dogs, right? So that's one of the ways that they are going to use to reward you. Now, from the past actions of the predecessors, it doesn't take long for airdrop of this nature to launch. You saw what happens with dogs and cats. Airdrops of this nature don't take long to launch. I've been seeing some rumors, right? And I've been seeing around that this project is going to launch pretty soon. It's not going to take time. There is no complex tapping, or buying this or buying that. It's just a one-time thing. And then you can also earn by referring your friends. Now, if you've not started mining, you have to take advantage of this opportunity and start mining. I'll be leaving the link in the description. The first link you're going to see in the description is going to be the link to the Paws Airdrop. Just click on that link and it will take you straight to Telegram, when you can go and get your own reward of Paws token. Now, let me take you to my phone screen and let's take a look at the app and what the app is about, so you can have a better insight about the app. Let's go, guys. So I was rewarded this much because I actually participated, and I did Notcoin, I did Hamster Combat, and I did Dogs, right? That's one of the reasons why I got as much as 41,000 Paws. And then the other way to get rewarded is how long you've been. They are going to reward you based on how long you've been on Telegram as well. And then now, another way you can earn again is by coming to this place here that says earn. When you click on it, you can be able to vote. Now, there's this voting that you can do right now. It is actually happening. I even saw it on Twitter. So you click on start. It's going to bring to market X Empire and Cat. So you're going to vote. I'm just going to vote for X Empire because of the pump it had recently, right? So I'm going to vote for X Empire because of the pump it had recently. You know, that's one of the things I always tell people. Don't focus only on the airdrop. Sometimes the project can also do well in the long run. So let me just vote for X Empire. So send 10. We can process your requests. Okay, maybe I'm going to do that later, right? Now, when you come to the in-game, you're going to see a couple of tasks that you can carry out, right? You can also be partner here. You can also join Bloom channel, join this, join that. So you're going to get rewarded accordingly, right? So that's one of the ways to get rewarded on this. And now for the leaderboard, I'm currently 722,787. No, that's way behind, right? So that's way behind. But anyway, we're going to do what we can and get ourselves positioned. So I advise you to also do what you can to get yourself positioned for this airdrop, because I don't know why I have a good feeling that this project might reward a lot. So guys, that's basically what I brought here. So you should get yourself positioned for this airdrop, as I've said earlier in the video. I'll leave the link in the description. So that'll be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.